Hey everyone, Sam Battersby, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble our compact sit-on creeper 2. So here we have all of the parts laid out in front of me. I've got the creeper body, which is as it is, how you pull it out of the box. I have the 2 side trays. We have the 2 frame and caster assemblies. And then we have the hardware. We've got our 4 machine bolts, 8 total washers, 4 already pre-installed on the bolts, and then we have 4 nylock nuts, 10mm nuts that are going to go on. So you're going to need a 4mm Allen with a 10mm socket and ratchet, or you can use a crescent wrench, 10mm crescent wrench as well. So pretty simple assembly here. I'm going to go ahead and flip the creeper body over, and the first step is to install our caster assemblies. Very simple process. Take one assembly. You want to make sure that the casters are positioned out and not in. Sorry, that's out. You wouldn't want them in like that. So make sure they're positioned out. So we got that like so. We're going to insert one bolt upward through the frame cross piece and into the frame and caster assembly. Add one washer on that side, so you should have washers on both sides of the frame piece, and then we'll thread on a nylock nut. I'm going to install all of these and then we'll tighten them down. And then when you're tightening all these down, you don't need to torque them extremely tight because the nylock nuts will prevent them from backing off. You just want them nice and snug. I can get that one lined up there without getting off my station here. Washer and nut. If you want to have your caster locks oriented a certain way, make sure that you decide on that before you tighten all these down. I usually like them at opposite corners like they are here. That way if they're locked, there's no movement of the caster on either axle, or movement of the creeper on either axle. And then I like to use my Allen to hold from the bottom and then ratchet to tighten the 10mm on top. Remember, that's a 4mm Allen for the bolt and a 10mm socket or crescent wrench for the nylock nut. Just a little bit of an awkward reach there. If you've ever wrenched on cars, you're very familiar with awkward reaches and wrenching in awkward places, so it shouldn't be too difficult for you. Just 4 bolts to assemble. The casters do come pre-installed on these frame pieces. So this is the only tool usage you have to do. The next step is going to simply be to snap in the trays, and then we're done with the stock form of the creeper. We also have the available padded cushion and accessory bottle holders that you can purchase on top of the creeper, and I'll show you how to install those as well. Nice and snug. Again, you don't need to over tighten anything there. Now we'll do our trays. Move this over. I'll show you this upside down. These trays have clips on them. This is an upgraded function from the first compact sit-on creeper, and this will prevent the trays from falling out of the creeper or from moving around at all. So you're going to want to insert the tray into the position at an angle there, push it towards the drawer, and then snap it upwards until those clips lock onto your frame crossbar. I'll turn it over now and show you the other one with the creeper upright. Make sure I don't knock it all off the platform here. So insert it at an angle, about a 45-degree angle, until it won't go any further. Push down. You can see there, I could keep pushing and it would probably snap into place, but I don't want to put too much stress on that side tray. So I'm just going to reach underneath, push those clips back, and then that snaps down right into place. Now you are ready to use your creeper. If you want the optional cushion or the accessory holders, Super simple installation of those. Drop your cushion on. The bottle holders come with 2 self-tapping screws. You insert the bottle holder into the side tray there, and then insert those screws from the bottom of the bottle holder. These accessory holders will hold any bottles or aerosol cans up to our 22-ounce size and our larger aerosol cans. And the side trays will now accommodate up to our 22-ounce bottles as well. So you can put any combination of 8, 16, 22, or aerosol cans in the side trays, as well as the accessory holders, and of course, your favorite beverage. For more information on the Compact Sit-On Creeper 2, be sure to visit griotsgarage.com. And as always, have fun in your garage.